Hey, it's Jeff with JW Designs. Thanks for stopping in and checking out the channel. Today's video is all about a little project with big impact. We take a transom and we adjust it, make some changes, and turn it into a towel rack. Janelle, my wife, does some printing on her Cricut. We combine those things together and come up with something that's pretty crafty, pretty helpful. Hopefully you guys get some tips and tricks on how you can do this as well. What you are seeing here is our existing towel rack with hooks next to the transom from our house. I'm transferring the center point from the rack to the transom. You can use a framing square or carpenter square to transfer the location of the hooks to the transom. My reason for doing this is so I can take the hooks off of the rack and place them on the transom. After doing so, I'll be able to hang the transom on the wall. I'm taking some time to make sure the hooks are spread evenly across the piece. The hook has 2 points of contact on the board, so I'm making sure both points go where they belong. Now it's a matter of selecting the right size drill bit for both points of contact for the hook. I'm also using a Forstner bit, so the screw for each hook will be secure. I've determined how far to drill with the Forstner bit by lining up the bit next to the transom. Instead of using a piece of tape to locate my stopping point, I have a general idea of where I need to stop. I mentioned each hook has 2 points of contact with the transom. Here you can see me drilling the second point of contact for each hook. This is where I take the screws that will secure each hook and insert them in the piece. It takes a little bit of finagling to make sure the screws set correctly. Because you have stayed through this video to this point, I want to share my bad dad joke with you right now. What will the Terminator be called in retirement? The Exterminator. Now that the holes have been drilled, the screws have been set, the hooks are ready to be attached to the piece. It takes a little bit of determination to get each one tightened up, but as you'll see, the hooks end up being nice and strong. This was one of those projects where my wife and I just jumped in and got it done. Many thanks to her and her willingness to print up the words you see on the glass. By the way, it says, "Hello, sweet cheeks." Because this is our first collaborative project on the channel, I'll treasure this one for some time to come. Sometimes the things we have laying around our homes can surprise us. With a little ingenuity and teamwork, a random object can have renewed beauty and usefulness. Remember, to everything there is a season. pretty awesome that a revamping can bring a new season. Thanks for checking out the video. I hope in this video that you were able to learn some things that help you kind of combine some old with some new and really provide maybe something that beautifies your home or something that you can give away or even sell. As with any video, I'm hoping that it helps you create. That's why this channel exists. Thanks for checking us out. Thanks for subscribing. And thank you for sharing this content. Hope you have a great day.